Hey guys, so in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get the UMAX Pro app. So if you guys are tired of using the free version, I'm going to go ahead and get the Pro. So as you can see, it says upgrade to Pro, but there's a third payment option, which is for free with developer account. So I'm going to choose that and I'm going to get UMAX Pro for free. So as you can see, guys, it says UMAX Pro activated. So I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So let's get into the video. So first thing we're going to do is go to our browser and literally just type in matrixmods.com. So once you're on this website, you're going to see a number of apps which are all modded. So just type in UMAX and press on it, press download, and before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. So this is the last step. Basically, we have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store, and then the mod will be installed. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to download. So as you can see, it's going to bring us to the last step, and it says almost there. Additional files are required for UMAX Pro. So what we need to do is download 2 of these apps, which are all free. So we got like Travel Town. This one's like down and reach level 9. So I just go to the app store, play it till I'm level 9. So it's like a game. So that's pretty easy. So as you can see, I could do that. So just like run it right here. And then once I'm done, just go back to the list, do some more. So for instance, got match to win, down reach level 11. So it's a game. So I just play through it right here, as you can see. Obviously, a lot of them are actually games, which are pretty simple because you just have to play it for a little bit. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. So that's how to get it for your device. So I'll see you later. But yeah, just make sure you download some of these. Going to be all set. So we got Mo Casino as well. This one says like install the app and open it. So yeah, just make sure you do some of the apps and then you'll have the UMAX Pro. Also, if you press help, you get the video you can watch. So that's pretty cool. But that's how I get UMAX Pro for your device. So you can watch all the looks maxing stuff for free. So yeah, it is super crazy, guys. This actually works. So let's go to the App Store and type in UMAX, and it should show us some costs. So you do not need the app installed because this is a separate modded version. But as you can see, guys, it is super expensive. Look at this. So if you want to pay, that's up to you. But chances are, if you clicked on this video, you're not really the paying type. So yeah, this is retarded, bro, how they're charging all this. So just make sure you download 2 of the apps and you should be good to go. So that's how to get UMAX Pro Mod for your device 2026. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want to get UMAX Pro for free. So yeah, this is super crazy. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. This is super awesome. But yeah, no jailbreak or computer is needed for this video, so you guys should be able to do this right away. So there you go. That's how to get UMAX Pro for free and start using the tools without paying, guys. So that is awesome. So yeah, I mean, if you want, you can pay, but it's quite dumb in my opinion. So I'm gonna see you guys later. We can even read reviews saying how expensive it is. So as you can see, they're like huge scam, but bro, they're using the free one. So yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to get UMAX Pro for free. So this is super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe, guys, because I'm always trying to help out the community. So that's what we're all about. So get the word out, and you too can get UMAX Pro for free 2026. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe, tell your friends, let them know. And yeah, this is super unique. It's awesome. So have fun, my gang. This is wild stuff. You know, we're trying to help the community here. So yeah, peace out, my group.